Hey guys, and welcome to this video. So I have an exciting package today. Melody Susie reached out to me and they asked me would I like to review their 15th anniversary nail drill. So of course I said yes straight away. I have purchased at least 3 of Melody Susie's drill. My favourite, the Scarlet, just gave up on me about 3 weeks ago and I had it for about 3 years and I loved it so much. So I'm so happy to be reviewing this drill. I'm so excited. They just had a thank you card inside of the packaging, so I just took off the outer packaging and I left this packaging here because I just wanted to unbox it on camera and not have any sneak peek at all. So here it is. It's the Melody Susie SM200F nail drill S series. So the box is gorgeous, very well packaged, I have to say. Okay, so inside we just have an instruction manual. So I guess you just have to go through this at your own leisure. It just gives your contents, how to use the different bits, using the nail drill, on off speed, pause on button, all that type of stuff. You know, it comes with all the e-files and nail drills. So definitely keep this and have a look through it, especially if it's your first nail drill. I would totally have a good read through this. So here is the drill. Oh my god. It is so small. First impressions, it's so neat. It's really small. There's your warranty information. Okay, I'm just going to open this now, guys, because I do want to do an actual test of it in this video. So I'm not going to spend too long opening it up because I really want to I have to remove my gel. So I want to do it with this and I want to do it on camera to see how noisy it is and the vibrations and all that stuff. So here we go. This is the handpiece. It's so well packaged up. First impressions, the handpiece is small and dainty. So pretty, look at that pink. And it has your lock and unlock here. You can take out that safety bit once it comes, lock it up again. So dainty. That would be so comfortable to use. I'm just so surprised how small it is in person. I suppose compared to the Scarlet, because I had the Scarlet for so long and I loved it. Okay, so this is, we have a clip, so you can clip it onto your apron or you could clip it on to, if you had a space on your, some people clip it onto a space on their trolley or on their drawers. We have a pause button. We have a forward reverse button and you can see we have an LED screen there, so that is absolutely gorgeous. It's so dainty. You can see the size of my hand, like it fits in my hand like this. Okay, I'm so excited. And they also sent me a UK and Ireland plug, which I really appreciate. Thank you so much. So let's see what's underneath. I'm going to keep this box because I keep every box that's anyway pretty at all. Okay. So this is obviously the lead for the handpiece. And we have a USB cord. And this is the little plastic piece here. So I would say that goes, yeah, that goes on the side there. So let me just click it on. Maybe I should be looking first though. Do you know what now? I'm going to look at that in the instructions because I don't want to break anything. Okay, so we have some drill pieces here. So these are the standard ones you get. You get your sanding band barrel, you get your sanding band mandrel, then you get, that's a cuticle bit right there, and then you get some ball bits and flame bits. So your standard bits you get in most sets, but we also have, okay, hold on, we have some sanding bands as well. That's great. Then we have, oh, I'm dying to try these. So we have a large barrel C medium. So medium, so that would be medium in coarseness. And then we have, there's no name on this one, but it looks like some sort of a removal bit anyway. So none of these are to be used on the natural nails at all. They are carbide bits. They are to be used for removal of gel or acrylic only. Do not put these near the natural nails, I'm sure you know that. And then we have the little plug. Okay, so I'm going to set this up off camera and I'm going to turn it on and we are going to see exactly how it operates, and I'm going to give you my full and honest review. So I'll be back in a few. I'm just going to get everything set up and we're going to start to remove my nails. Okay, so I fully charged this up because it does say in the manual to give it a full charge before that its first use. Now it did have a really good charge on it, but I just said I would follow the instructions and charge it. So I'm going to take a little bit of a closer look now at the actual handpiece. So your on off button is at the top here, and you just turn it to the side here and it starts to go on. So you'll see here it shows your battery level right there at the top, and then it shows your speed. So I'm just going to turn it up and you can hear the noise of it. I'm just going to slowly turn it up. Now it goes up to 35 RPMs, but you won't really have to use it at 35 RPMs. The highest I go is about 30. And usually I kind of stick at 27, 28 when it comes to removing. So I'm going to go to 30 here and let you listen. Like, it's so silent and there's zero vibration. Okay, so that's the noise of it there. It's very, very minimal. It's so smooth, like you can probably hear, but like the vibrations are so minimal. You know it's on, but you're not feeling your hand shaking. You're not feeling those horrible vibrations that you do from a cheap e-file. So yeah, this is really, really good. I know I'm gonna love this. I love it already. So then we have our forward reverse. So before you switch into forward or reverse, I would suggest just turning it down. It's so easy. That's up, we'll turn it down. Turn it down. And even turn it off. Turn it on, and then you can just switch. Look, reverse, goes into reverse. This is actually a pause button. So we can pause it and it takes back off where you left it. So that is at 1. And it just takes back off where you left it. Yeah, I think this was very easy to clip in. Actually, all the things that I did off camera, I just attached this cord in here, and that just attaches there to the handpiece. So I think I'm going to start removing my gel and just let you know what it sounds like, and I'm going to let you know how it feels when it's on. Okay, I'll be back in a second. I think I'm going to use this piece. I just popped it in. This is one of the pieces that came with it. So I'm going to use this, and I'm just going to turn on my dust collector on low, so you might hear a bit of extra noise in this. Okay, so here's an example of where you have it on pause. So I have it on pause right now, and then when I go and press the play button again, it goes back to 29 RPMs in forward setting. And then if you wish to pause it again, it'll just pause for you and go back. So I'm going to start removing now, guys. I'm just going to see how it feels, but it feels so nice in my hand already. Okay, so I'm going to remove this set. I will leave a link to this set. I do have a tutorial of this set on my channel, but I'm just going to do the removal with this bit. That's a nice bit, actually. This is a nice bit for removal. I can feel I'm not putting too much pressure on there at all, but it's definitely going through that gel really nicely. And it's a safety bit. As you can see, that round barrel at the top, that's safety, so that you're not going in nipping your skin. Obviously you have to be careful, but you know, oh my god, this is really, really nice. This is so easy. Yeah, this is, and I'm not getting any heat spike. Like, I'm going in with a nice bit of pressure, but I'm not getting any heat spike. I don't want to turn up my dust collector too high, because then you're not going to hear the noise of the e-file. But yeah, oh, this is perfect. Susie. Okay guys, my review of this drill is absolutely brilliant, especially for the price point. I have gotten Melody Susie drills since I started doing nails. I've purchased 3 on my own, so I'm not surprised. I knew I was going to love it, but this is the best that I have ever tried personally. It is low vibration, it is compact, it's aesthetically gorgeous. I mean, look, it looks so cute. I love this play pause button. It just reminds me of a little radio or a little CD player back in the day. But yeah, I am going to leave their discount code. They kindly gave me a discount code to share with you, and it is 12% off the Melody Susie website. So you could use it against a drill, or you could use it against any of their products. They have loads of products on their website. So I'll leave that in the description box for you. But thank you so much if you made it this far into the video. I hope you got some benefit from the video, and if you have any questions about anything that I might have forgotten about this e-file or anything in general, just comment down below and I will be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Again, the best part of this drill is as well, it is rechargeable. So like once that charge goes up, you can use it. You don't have to be worrying about plugs, and we all know the bane of a nail tech's life is all the plugs and all the electronics we have plugged in. So yeah, really, really happy. Thank you so much, Melody Susie, and thank you so much if you made it this far in the video. You're a star, and I'll see you in the next one.